Hi, welcome to the Mathemagic channel. Today this is question 19 from IGCSE Excel, June 2022. Let's go. So this is question 19. It's worth a few marks and it starts a little bit like this. You're given the area of a sector, and that area of the sector is 2 times the area of a circle. Now the sector is given to you in the drawing here, and it's got a radius of r plus 7 and an angle of 45 degrees, and the circle has radius r minus 2 meters. So we can do the circle pretty quickly. We can say that the area of the circle is equal to, pi r squared is the formula for the area of a circle, so pi times r minus 2 squared. So next we need to figure out the area of the sector, and for the area of the sector it's given to you by 45 degrees, so 45 degrees out of 360. That's probably the most important part to know how big the piece of the circle is. And then we have pi times the radius squared. So again, since we're doing the area, so we can say pi times the radius, which is r plus 7, and then that will be squared as well. And so 45 over 360, well, that's quite handy. That's actually 1 divided by 8 if you're to divide top and bottom by 45. So we actually have pi times r plus 7 squared divided by 8. And that is the area of the sector. So if we refer back to our initial assumption here that the sector is 2 times the area of the circle, we can write this out as pi times r plus 7 squared over 8, and that will be 2 times, so 2 times the area of the circle, so 2 times pi times r minus 2 squared. Now what you can do here is you can cross out pi on both sides, so you can divide by pi on both sides, and you can move the 8, which is dividing the left, to the right, so divide is going to become times. So we can say that r plus 7 squared is going to be equal to 16 times r minus 2 squared. And so a nice step here is to square root both sides. So we can say that r plus 7 is equal to 4 times r minus 2. And so to continue the question, we can say that r plus 7 is equal to 4r minus 8. And putting the r's to the right and the numbers to the left, we can say that 15, so 7 plus 8, is equal to 4r minus r, which is 3r. And for the final step, you can just divide by 3 and say that 15 divided by 3, which is 5, is equal to r. And so this is a good answer for this question. So we're going to be happy with 5 equals r. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching the channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we shall see you on the next one. If you're doing your GCSEs, good luck. Bye-bye.